YouTube, you see the title. I'm gonna go over if you can afford the RT. I'm just say this from the start. It's affordable. You could get the RT. The Scat Pack, that's a different story. Just because the expensives, whatever the fuck you say it, it's gonna be a lot more than the RT.
God damn! God damn! God damn!
Just starting off. Um, gas cost. The gas cost for the RT compared to the Scat Pack. You're gonna be at the gas station every 2 days with that Scat Pack with the 5.7. You're gonna be at least at the gas station once a week. Half a tank is 40 bucks. A full tank is 80 bucks. Tires cost. On the RT, it comes with 245s. They're a lot cheaper than the 305 that comes on the Scat Pack. I think it's the 305. I'm throwing 275s on the front, 315s on the back on my car. Um, the monthly payment from the Scat Pack to the RT is different. You could get a good mileage RT with 32,000 for like 32,000. Good mileage Scat Pack, I'll say it's for 44. Me personally, I wouldn't get a Scat Pack with high mileage because people just dog them out. If you say people don't dog them out, just go on YouTube and search it up. You see what they do to those Scat Packs. Um, Insurance costs. The insurance costs, it's I'll say it's a high cost because the RTs I was getting quoted for like 300s before I actually got the car. Uh, I'll say the Scat Packs, they went like 500, so I was just like, hell no, I'm not paying no 500 for 6.4. I know 6.4, I'm 19, so it was gonna be high, but I was just like, yeah, I'm not trying to do that. That's a whole nother car note right there. So I went with the 5.7. It's a lot cheaper. The insurance, it's in the hundreds, so I think if I would have did get the Scat, it would have been in the 200s. My monthly payment, they are a lot cheaper compared to the Scat. I am gonna do a YouTube video on this soon, though. I'm not gonna go over it on this video. I'm just say it's hella cheap. Well, it's not cheap, but like it's hella low, I guess, compared to what everyone else is paying, like in the 800s. Oh yeah, and stop trying to make an excuse for why you guys are paying in the 800s for RT. Y'all know y'all should have just chilled out, build y'all credit up. Y'all could have got something better, I guess, for the 800s, but hey, it is what it is. Just refinance it, folks, y'all. Um, what else? What else? Yeah, but if gas costs is like the main thing for you guys, I'll just say go with the 5.7 because you guys won't be at the gas station like that every other day. If y'all watch my POVs, y'all know I'll be getting on this 5.7, flooring it, going crazy, and I'm not at the gas station every other day. I'm at the gas station like once a week. Full tank, 80 bucks. Half a tank, 40 bucks. Um, and yeah, I'll just say don't get that V6 though. Go for the 5.7 instead if it was between the two. The Scat Packs, if your credit's not that good, your bank only approves you for a certain amount, I would say don't push it for that 6.4 because, like I said, if you can't afford that 6.4, gas costs, tires, you're gonna be burning out in that 6.4. Don't say you aren't because you're gonna get it. You're gonna see. If you don't got it, you see them videos. Everyone says gas cost is crazy, tire cost is crazy. It's just stuff like that. The RT, I don't even think it could burn out like that because you got the 245 and the I think they call it the rear differential or something like that. Only one tire spins unless you switch it out. But I'll say you could afford that RT. If you want the RT, go for it. Just look around. Do not go if you go to a Dodge dealership, they're gonna get you with a markup. When I was looking, they were trying to give me it was a damn RT, right? Brand new. Last call. They wanted damn near 50 grand for that shit. Out the door. No, I mean out the door, before out the door. I said, nah, that shit did discourage me a little bit, but I waited 3 months. He was like, bro, you're gonna need a cosign. I'm like, I'm not gonna get a cosign. 3 months passed, joined Navy Federal. And y'all know, y'all see me in the RT right now. Just I'll say don't listen to the salesman because half the time they just want you to put a down payment down. They're gonna run your credit to the point where it's messed up and you can't even get the RT or get the Scat Pack. They're gonna be like, bro, you gotta start with a V6. If they say you can't even start with a Dodge, you gotta get this car. For you guys, I'll just wait because they will run your credit. Remember this: new credit and good credit. Um, get y'all credit cards the younger you guys are, um, because credit it's It's based off a year, like age. I mean, your like how long you had it. If you got a new credit card, right, or if you got new credit and you got a high score, that really doesn't matter because it's new credit, so it doesn't like I won't say it doesn't really count as credit. You gotta wait at least a year, and then you'll be good. Maybe 6 months is good enough, but like I said, that's some tips I got for you guys. If you guys want that RT, I'll say get it though. It's worth it. It's loud. It's fast. Get that mid muffler delete and enjoy. Subscribe, like, comment if you like this video. On to the next.